Hi everyone, today's video is all about food on the island of Naxos in Greece. In this video we're going to show you the 6 restaurants we tried in our visit to this beautiful island. Our first stop was Yasouvlaki, located right in the heart of Naxos town, close to the port. This place offers a wide variety of sandwiches, gyros, and salads. The food was simple, fresh, and very good. Our second restaurant was Taverna, and it's actually the only place we loved so much that we went back twice. The food here was amazing, from pasta, pizza, steak, lamb chops, you name it. And this restaurant is also located near the Naxos port. Next, we visited the restaurant of Axiotissa, a beautiful place located in what feels like in the middle of nowhere. Its lovely traditional house turned into a restaurant, and they grow most of their vegetables right in their own backyard. It's the true feeling of you're eating authentic home-cooked food. This was one of our best experiences in the island, and it's close to some really stunning beaches. Next, we went to restaurant number 4, which was Rotonda. Rotonda, located right in the middle of the mountains. We stopped here while exploring some of the Naxos beautiful villages. The food here was amazing. Everything from salad to chicken to seafood. And the service was exceptional. The views here were just absolutely breathtaking. Our fifth stop was Oasis, just 2 minutes from our hotel. This place was always busy for both lunch and dinner, so we decided to give it a try, and we're glad we did. This family-run restaurant offers everything from delicious salads to steak and all kinds of classic Greek dishes. Our final restaurant was Veros, which we visited on our way to the port as we were leaving the island. This place has a beautiful sea view and served delicious food and appetizer. Such a great way to end our trip. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this food tour of Naxos. See you in our next video.